Hello again. Welcome to the Puppet Interview Part 2. So, I'm going to get one of those puppets to do an interview. But he's like evil, and he's actually a villain. Yeah, he is a villain. So, but I can't tell you what it is, but I'm gonna surprise you. So, well, I'm gonna guess you what it is. He's a devil. The evil devil. And are you ready for this? I'm going to get Lord Drygantis, the evil devil puppet. Be right back. And here he is. Lord Drygantis, the devil puppet. So, Lord Drygantis, I get to talk to you today, so thank you for coming to an interview. So, how you doing today? I'm fine. I'm happy to see you. And I'm happy to see you too. So, I just heard you saw one of those Broadway shows. So what Broadway shows did you see? I saw Phantom of the Opera. Did you see it in New York City? No, that was in London. Okay, well, how was it? It was spectacular. Good. And so you like to be an evil devil, right? Because since you're the villain, and that's how you become evil. So what are you supposed to be? Well, I want to be the evil Devilish. Oh, that's awesome. So you're the evil devilish villain on Earth. Exactly. And what else did you see? What other Broadway musicals you saw? Well, the 3 shows I want to see is Les Miserables, Disney's Aladdin, and Wicked the Musical. Perfect. Good for you. So, anything else you want to see? I would like to see The Wizard of Oz. It's my favorite. Good. So I'm glad you come to this interview. So you just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you like to do for your living. So, any more questions, or is there anything you want to tell me? Well, I just want to put more fire in the lava inside my cave. Oh, this is the way you want to become evil again? Of course. Well, it's been honored seeing you, Lord Drygantis. So, thank you for coming to an interview. So, it's nice meeting you. So, you're like an evilish devilish on Earth. Well, anyways, thank you for telling me all those things you saw, like Broadway shows. Right back at ya. So, you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wow, that devil is so evil. He's an evil devil, villain puppet. Yeah, I guess he wants to be a devilish. When he goes to Broadway. Oh, one more thing. One more thing, Mr. Lord Drygantis. So, do you want to be on Broadway one day? Sure I can. One day if they put the Devilish musical, I would love to be the Devilish. This way I can be evil and become a famous Broadway star. That's awesome. Well, that's all I want to ask you, so you're free to go now. Wow. Devilish, the musical. I guess he wants to be the evil Devilish on Broadway. He wants to become a Broadway star. Anyway, thanks for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy it. And that's all going to be for today, folks. And I'm going to put another video, and I can't tell you what it is, so I hope you enjoy that too. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Enjoy your springtime, and summer is coming soon. So, thanks for watching.